Yeah, maybe. No, do this. Close this, yeah. That's not a movie sound effect. That's a real cannon shot at Vesting Bourtange. How Dutch soldiers used these massive cannons to protect the fort. You get to see every step, from cleaning the cannon, loading gunpowder, positioning it, and then finally when was the last time you saw the actual cannon fire without hurting anyone? That's Vesting Bourtange for you. The fort itself was built in 1593, designed in unique star shape, surrounded by moat. And these cannons were its main defense against invaders. Watching this up close gives you chills. It's history that you can feel. You can almost imagine the battlefield centuries ago. Hats off to the Bourtange team for bringing history to life in this manner. And if you're ever in Groningen province, make sure to catch this demonstration live. It's pure history in motion. If you want to see the full video of Vesting Bourtange, please click the link above. Like, share and subscribe for more travel stories. See you in the next one.